Consideration need not be adequate. If it is not necessary that the consideration is equal or adequate for the promise made, means it is not necessary that the consideration is equal or adequate for the promise made. It is mandatory that it should be something in which the law attach some value. Then consideration should be real. It need not be adequate only, but it's necessary to be real and not the illusory. It should not be physically impossible, legally not permissible, or based on an uncertain event or a condition. It should not immoral or against the public policy of the state. Section 23 of the Indian Contract states that it is given that the consideration should not be illegal, immoral, or against public policy. It should not be something which the promisor is already bound to do. So these are the legal requirements necessary for the consideration. First is the must move at the desire of the promisor. Second, can move from the promisee or the another person. Third is the consideration be of the past, present or future. Consideration need not be adequate and consideration should be real. Next is it should not be immoral or against the public policy of the state, and it should not be something which the promisor is already bound to do.